So after watching the TED Talk on Texting is Killing Language, JK, I learned that our writing language is expanding and it's evolving to something more than just formal writing. Texting is not going away, it's actually becoming a genre of writing. So specifically, texting has its unique way of communicating. It's a shortened way of speaking through writing that has developed to an efficient way of communicating to meet the demands of our everyday lives. I really understood how texting and formal language are two very different forms of writing. Now, texting is not the way we should write in or for school. It has its place and use. Texting represents more of how we speak rather than how we write, because when we speak, we tend to not think about grammar and conventions. This is often seen in texting. I am so confused about how texting is being viewed in a positive way if it is not being used in the appropriate settings. Is texting really a linguistic miracle when students are having trouble writing standard American English? Texting is a casual form of communication that will keep evolving, and society plays a major role in the changes of texting language because every day young people are coming up with new ideas and abbreviations. So this TED Talk can be related to how texting language is being seen and used more in the classroom setting. Now students are wanting to bring their trendy abbreviations and symbols into their formal writing. Not only that, but it makes it difficult for adults to understand the youth around them. Now it's just becoming a more convenient way of writing.